Hello guys, today I am going to draw a card drawing in SolidWorks. So before we go into the SolidWorks software, we have to download the three views of the card drawing. Okay, here I have downloaded some of the views. That is, one is the side view of any type of designed car, and one is front view, and the last one is back view. Okay, so I have to download three views here. Then I go into the SolidWorks software. So at first I have to select the front plane or right plane. Okay, right plane, and then I have to sketch this picture by here. That's tool, sketch tool, and go to the sketch picture option. So as I have already inserted here, so I don't insert the another picture here. So sketch tool, and you can see the sketch picture, then select this side view and open, then that come to here. Then I have to set this picture according to this point, that the front portion of the car, the front this point, this is the topmost point of the front portion of the car, that is situated to here. Okay, so we have done with the side view. Then I have to create one plane here. What type of plane this is? Sure. Oh, here this plane. This plane is just beside the top view, front view. This plane is just offset. This plane is just offset from the front plane. Here you can see that the plane one is just offset from the front plane, and we have to set the plane according this drawing. Okay, here we have to set the plane just offset from the front plane and according to this drawing. Okay, then we have to sketch one drawing here. We have to sketch this drawing here. So what is the drawing? That the sketch picture, and that is the front view. Here is the front view, that is the front view. How can we have done it? Here at first select this plane, sketch, then go to the tools, that go to the sketch tool and sketch picture, then the image front view. Then I have to select or restructure this front view according to the side view drawing. You can see that the line is saved here and here, and the upmost button is here. Then I go for the third sketch here. Then go for this view, that is the as the up view, that is the top plane. I have to select this top plane, sketch, and go to the toolbar and then go for the sketch tool and sketch picture, that is the top view. I have to set the top view here by this. You can see this. I have set this like that. Please see that. I have set this like that. Okay, now I have set all the three views here. Okay, then I have to suppress it because to show the drawing. Now I have to draw some sketches here. Okay, I have done some sketches here. That at first go for this top plane and sketch, then please draw this drawing. Go to the top view and see I have drawn this. According this I have drawn this, and also I have sketched another thing, that is the side view. That is the side view. Here I have drawn the front I have drawn it in the front plane, and this is the line. Then I have sweep it surface. This is the surface option, this is the sweep option. Select this drawing and this line and it became this sweep option. Okay, so now for the second option, that is the surface option. Okay, for the surface option I have to draw two things. One is here, that is in the plane 1, that is this plane. I have drawn the sketch according to this drawing. I have drawn the sketch according to this drawing, and I have draw one line here, that is the top plane, that is in the top plane. And then go for the surface sweep option, select this sketch and this sketch, and the sweep is happen. Is this how I have done? I have done this sweep 2 option, that I have done one sketch in the top plane. From here this sketch, and then make the line here, and then sweep option, surface sweep, select this drawing and this drawing, and this happen. Okay, then I have done some of the trims. When I have done all the trims options, then you have just select this trim surface, select this and select this, and all the extra things going to be abolished. And in this how we can make this structure. Then I have to mirror these things. See, I have done this mirror. I have to suppress it for better understanding. So is this how I have done this drawing or this model? Then I have to done some of the fillets and some boss extrude option. Okay, then I have done some of the fillet and some of the sketches here. Okay, this is the good. Then I have done some of the fillets. Then I have done this circle here. This is the wheels here, and make some designs in the back portion and back portions. Okay, then I have to make some designs in their wheel also. And this is how my drawing has been complete, and I have to and this is how the drawing has been complete. I have done one card here. Okay, the accident tasks here. Yes, tasks here. This is how I am doing here. Thank you.